What's going on, guys? In today's video we are going over how to do an oil change on a Polaris Sportsman 1000. We got tools here. Alright, so we got to take off the little metal plate to get to the oil filter. And what is that? It's a Torx bit, right?
Yep, Torx bit T40.
T40.
Three bolts there. Alright. And that's how you get to the oil filter. Check if this fits. Yep. Okay. Alright. And for the drain, it is a 6mm Allen socket. Good. Okay.
You got it? Oh.
Well, it didn't look that bad, actually.
It only has how many miles?
It's a first service. 25 hours. I don't know how many miles it is, but...
Okay.
Probably should have started it before. Got the oil warm.
Yep, yeah.
Come down with the jack a little bit. Good old drains.
Alright, so we're going to let that drain. You might want to take out the oil plug to speed up the process. Alright, so we're just going to loosen up the oil filter and get that off since it's basically done draining.
Are you going right there? Good. Okay. That baby drain. They actually made it really convenient. So do all this stuff.
Yeah, it's not really in a hard spot to get it, is it?
No.
I mean, you start doing some of the street bikes and you got them right by the fucking header.
Yeah.
Can't get in there. Yeah, that is a pretty good spot. That is a dirty mess.
It's always a mess when you're doing oil.
And grease.
Never a clean job. Never a clean job. It's a greasy job. Somebody's got to do it.
Alright, so now we're going to put oil around the seal on the oil filter.
And fill it up a little bit. And you guys can pick these up at any Polaris dealer or your ATV dealership if they sell Polarises. It's a whole kit. There's a brand new crush washer, filter, 2 quarts of oil.
How much was the kit, Joe? Give or take?
I think the kit was only, I think it was in the $30 range, to be honest.
That's not bad.
100% correct on that, though. Put a little bit on the seal.
Right, because if you don't, the seal could end up drying and you'll end up getting oil.
It's gonna be a dry one.
All right, so put your new crush washer on the oil drain plug, which comes in the kit every time.
Yep. It's not worth it unless you don't buy the kit. I mean,
Okay, if you just buy regular oil, then you could probably reuse the crush washer once or twice. But if you get the kit, it comes with it every time, so you might as well just get the kit.
get the kit, run it, do what they say. Wipe this clean. Sure no debris gets in there. Doing it. All right. Okay. Every oil filter pre-filled.
The joys of an oil change.
And this thing, all you have to do is hand tighten it. Obviously, I can't fit my hand in there. So
We'll snug it up with the wrench. Just a
snug it up. That's it.
And she's good to go. You got your oil drain plug in and your
I
new
gotta
oil
tighten that
filter.
up.
Just gonna tighten up our oil drain plug, crush the crush washer.
Yep, I want to make sure that you snap that inside the motor. I'm kidding.
But you'll be surprised what happens with some people.
Jesus. Don't snap it inside the motor. All right, that's it for the bottom here. We'll come back and we'll tighten up the plate afterwards because I want to check and make sure that there's no leaks
Nice.
for once I start it. All right. Pour that oil on the brick.
Alright, now we got the oil. Takes 2 quarts, so you could just fucking pull out.
I think that's perfect. I got it.
You got it?
Sure.
Live as my 6th person.
Alright, now we're putting in the second quart.
Now you tighten up the plate underneath. Make sure that those bolts are all good. And you're all set.
And now we gotta reset the,
Now we gotta reset. Brett knows how.
make sure you guys put your dipstick back in and tighten it up snug. So now we're gonna reset the oil light.
I think the next service they say is a 50-hour kit, which comes with oil and gear loop. I want to say it's a 50-hour kit. So you go into mode, hold it. You hit up on here. Then you come to service hour. You hit mode again. And it was at 25. I just
Right,
set
so
it
you
to
choose-
50 now.
Choose what you want.
It goes up, down, you set it to 50. Boom, hit mode again. That's done, hit mode. That's it. And exit.